Hey, hi guys, today we will going to explore this Kanak Vrindavan Park. Okay, so I've just entered here and I've taken the ticket from here. This is an entry gate, and this is one side of the park. Okay, as I have entered here, so let's walk on this side. Okay, you can see there are some people in the park. There is some information over here. It is very peaceful place. Okay, let's explore how exactly it looks like. Oh God, my goodness, this is so beautiful. Okay, it is around something around 11 a.m. here. I just came here for the park. Okay, we can go. There is some jhulas. There is a food stall, a very small food stall. If you can see, this is a food stall. Okay, here, and if you want to eat something, you can go there. And there's a small jhula for the people to explore it. Even the big and the small people are taking the enjoyment of this. And this is what it's a small mandir over here. Okay, so here we have a mandir with a pandit ji. If you can see, we'll do the pranam. Okay, and this includes all jhula and everything, right? We just saw, right? This includes some jhulas area, and if you can see the street, it is so beautiful. I mean, the people do take care about the garden. See there, the guy is watering the plant. Okay, so yeah, so I'm just keep walking because I really can see the squirrels are running here and there. You can see here. See, the squirrel is also there. It's a good park. So the people, there are couples. This section all include, for the entertainment of the kids, the instrument for the entertainment of kids. And yeah, and this section is also very beautiful. Okay, and we are walking on this road. Okay, so it's really very beautiful. I'm not able to take off my eyes from this wonderful garden. Okay, I think everyone comes here. Everyone should come here and explore. See how beautiful it is. Everyone should come and explore this kind of beautiful nature. Okay, yeah, so I'm just keep walking. I'm just walking to show you the beauty of this garden. Okay, let's keep walking. There is again, I'm just keeping moving around my hands so that you can see the entire garden. It's so beautiful. Here is small, something like a jumping jack for kids. It's a small, kind of jumping jack for kids. I'm just walking. Okay, let's see and explore this beauty of the garden. The more you'll keep walking, I really like to visit such kind of place. It really soothes your soul, your heart. Can you see the birds? Oh wow, the birds are also very there, and I'm able to listen some creeping sound of the birds, which is quite amazing. Okay, let me tell you, it's quite amazing. Have you seen how they have maintained it? This park is called as Vrindavan Park. Okay, Kanak Vrindavan Park. Actually, this park is located in Jaipur. Okay, it is near to the Vrindavan Ghati, Kanak Vrindavan Ghati. Okay, so that's what it is. They have maintained it very beautifully. So I'm just trying to. Can you see how beautiful they have made? These are the artificial, women who are taking a bath over here. Can you see how beautiful is this? And the water is real, only the women's are artificial. Yeah. Can you see how beautiful is this? And at the top of that, there is a sun also. There is a mandir, there is a small murti of the Krishna ji, which is also very beautiful. Okay, so I think there is some fort over there over on the top. Okay, not sure which one, but there is a very small fort. So we'll just keep walking, and we've entered from one end and then we will exit from another end. It's not so big. Here also some handmade murtis are there of God, Krishna, Radha, and the people like dancing. Okay, the kind of thing is being made over here. And now, can you see these plants, these trees? They are so beautiful. Okay, and just keep walking. So that is another gate. By the time we will reach to that gate, if you can see, I will expand. By the time we will reach to that gate, that's how the garden comes to an end. Okay, I'm just moving around. Okay, this is how the garden is now. Okay guys, let me know how this beautiful garden, how did you find this garden? Please let me know in the comment below. Okay, if you like this garden, and do share with me if you know any other garden in Jaipur. This is actually a very wonderful, I can say. Oh God, there is a, can you see? I just saw a peacock over there. Okay, and it is written over there. See, Kanak Vrindavan Ghati. I told you, right? This park is at Kanak Vrindavan Ghati. And I just saw the peacock. Sorry, I was not able to show it to you. Now let me know, how did you find this park? Okay, according to me, it's very beautiful. You must visit this place. It's in Jaipur. It's called as Kanak Vrindavan Ghati. Near Kanak Vrindavan Ghati. This is a Kanak Vrindavan Park. Okay, yeah. Okay, bye. Let me know how do you find it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Yeah, thank you. Bye guys, take care.